Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change resolution on Sony Bravia TV. So first, changing the resolution on a Sony Bravia TV depends on the model and the source of the content. Here's how to do it. First method is adjust display settings. Press the home button on your remote, then go to settings. Then select display and sounds or just display on older models. Then choose screen or picture settings. Then select screen resolution or screen format. After that, choose an option like full pixel, the best for native 1080p or 4K content, or you can just choose this normal, adjust based on source. Zoom enlarges the images, and wide for expands 2 feet width screen. So here I prefer to select full pixel, so you will get the full content quality on your screen. Then the method 2 is adjust resolution from input source. Your Sony Bravia TV automatically adjusts to the resolution of the input sources. To check the change it for cables and satellite box or streaming device. If you're using these devices, then you can follow the steps. The first is press the display or info button on your remote to see the correct resolution. Now the second option is if it's lower than expected, like for example 720p instead of 180p or 4K, then change it on your external device. For cable and satellite box, go to boxes settings and set the resolution to 1080p or 4K. And for streaming devices like Fire Stick, Apple TV, Roku, etc., change the resolution in the device settings. After that, if you are using gaming console like PS5 or Xbox, then adjust the display settings in the console menu. So you can probably get the best output of your video quality on the TV, on the Sony Bravia TV. The method 3 is enable upscaling for 4K models. This is tips only for those models or those users who are using Sony Bravia 4K TVs. So if you have a Sony Bravia 4K TV, it automatically upscale lower resolution content. To optimize it, you just need to go to the settings, then go to the display and sound, and then go to the picture. Then the second step is enable reality creation or upscaling on supported models. So sometimes it's supported for specific models. In every models you might not get this option like reality creation or upscaling. Then adjust the sharpness and clarity settings to enhance the resolution. So if it's down, like sharpness and clarity is down or it's more than enough, then it can bring changes on your resolution. So it could be very sharp or a little sharp, or it will fade up their color. So make sure that you have adjusted a balance, sharpness and clarity in settings. After that, method 4 is adjust the screen position. So if the screen doesn't fit correctly, go to settings, then display and sound, then go to the screen. Select auto display area and set it on. If necessary, manually adjust the screen position. So that's how you can just change resolution on Sony Bravia TV. Hope you got this. If so, that give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.